are heading to the boat and we are in Bangkok street market.
And we are late.
And we are very late.
I don't know if we're going to see anything.
We are so fascinated because of the things that we see. Look at these cows. They're so many. They're so cute.
So we're going to the boat so that it can take us round and see the sights. It's mostly sightseeing, and if you want to alight, you can.
Oh. Hello. We want to go to which is the most beautiful one? Yeah. These are the boats. We are going to put up. We are like from Paris. So, guys, we're going to pay 20. So we can just reach
Ah.
Kenyan time. What is the name of the river? Ayezi Tamugika. Oh, there's so many boats. Oh, can't wait. Look at that. So this is where we pay. Oh, this is the waiting bay. And we are going where?
Somewhere here, I don't know.
There's so many people waiting. It's so hot. So this is our boat, which is going to take us to Grand whatever. It's so big. This is the best experience. I told you. My Lord. How cute. But we have to go to South Africa. Yeah. Let me take you up there so that I can show you the best view. Ooh, I love this. Hapana, hapa pako sawa. Ooh. So guys, this is Icon Siam. But
Oh, that is where by the way I bought my bootleg shirt from there.
yeah. So you can go there
Shopping.
the boat,
Right,
right?
the modern shopping mall.
Yeah.
Outside.
Look at the view from the boat. Very long buildings. Ooh. Icon Siam. So people are going to Icon Siam. Let's see to proceed. That is Icon Siam. So in River City, yeah. River City. So useful malls.
Look at how tall that building is.
Very tall. Another temple over here. Let me zoom for you. Look at that. Very fun. It's a big temple. So we're getting moving. There's a school over there.
Wapi hapa? Umesikia wakisema?
The Royal Thai Tour. Naona pameandikwa Royal Tian Navy.
Tushuke hapa tuone ya hii.
Tushuke. There's a temple over there.
Ama tutakuwa tumeshuka mapema.
This temple so big.
Now we are here. Yes. Okay. 1 hour. 1 hour. Here. 1 hour. Okay, thank you. We're going here. No. We miss here. We miss here, so we get from here. No, now we are here right now. We are here right now. Okay. Then.
So we are in Wat Arun temple, and we are already stamped and free water. Let me see your stamp. Yeah. Oh, that's so cute. Tuanze pale huko kwenye kuko na hii the long one. This is the entrance of Wat Arun temple. Hata zilisahau.
Hii ni inafungukanga. Ile ni maua. Itakuwaje what? Tulikuwa tunasema tukiwa
What a lily. Is it a lily?
It's so beautiful.
Very, and so long. From up there. Look at that. These two of them. So please let me take you closer and see their Buddha. Are they Buddhas or what? But in this place, you're not supposed to come when you're wearing crop tops. You should be covering your body. That's how long it is. There are three. There are so many in fact.
So the what Arun.
Let me take you to the other side. First thing first, let's see the Wat Arun. The bio of it. It's written in English and then by. At the overview of it, so many temples and their gods. The gods are so scary. Look at that.
Monks.
What's our?
They dedicate their life to pray, to meditate. Yeah. And also they do not come into contact with women. They do not marry. They go. Sometimes they can go to the inside the forest for so many years, just to pray
And meditate.
and meditate. And they can go for so long without food. They are very religious.
But you're not supposed to touch, right?
Yeah, do not touch.
Faith in the great
Virtue. Umeokokaje na wewe unaamini Mungu tofauti?
Oh, from 1958 to 2019.
King Rama. King Rama.
What's the King I think the hardest to the king. Their structure is kind of the tower look alike.
No, they have nothing in common. They do not even look alike.
The structure. Good to cut your part.
Oh,
These are easy temples. This must be very expensive.
makes it very beautiful.
So guys, look at their real gold mint. It's already locked in. This is the real gold. Fungua hapo utakuwa millionaire. Look at that gold Buddha. Let's get inside. Here you go. You have to take off your shoes to see the big Buddha. Taking off my shoes and getting in. Here is the big Buddha. So big over there. And this one made of gold, pure gold. Small Buddhas. Let me take the right direction. And that. Hey.
ใครเล่นโทรศัพท์ไปครับ
So that's how the moguls do. I think she's getting blessed. Look at that. Fashion you do a
in his elements. Kidogo labda kuhora makofi. Ngawa huko.
Okay. Hapo ameacha pesa.
Hiyo ni mara.
Oh, finally I found. So hot. Breeze ni nzuri. People are praying. People are no. I cannot read that language. Get outside. This is the palace. I think this is one of the warriors, and there is the king and the queen. Let's get closer. Hatuwezi kanyanga huko. Tanikaribia. There is the king and the queen. The king and the queen. She's beautiful. Wow. I break rules. This kind of tree. The palace so big.
No, outside.
All of this is the palace.
At night. So it shines like shine.
More and more palace. I don't know who is this. There are elephants hapo. You can take coffee over there.
Wenye walikuwa wanajua plates za kitambo.
China plates. Very. The palace is so clean. We're from there, from that temple, to enter the palace. Why is Buddha not
For tattoo. Questions asked. Frequent questions. Frequently asked questions and curiosity.
Ni watu wanaweza jisomea. The person was clean from inside to outside. His mind was free from illusion and all impurities. That's why Buddha is not for tattoo. But the soldiers.
And of course,
Oh, sana. Anakaa poa eh. Nakupigia hapa hivi. About to close and this is their gods. I want to show you a very quick tour of it. All those are their gods. Yes. Hata nienda haraka haraka. I love those. They had got a different type edge of there. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. Here you have to take off your shoes again. This is the palace. Let's meet to the next video. Because this is for monks only. You can see there. This is their place. That's how it looks inside. So we cannot get in. And it's so cute. It's so gold. For monks only. It's made of real gold.